When I tell you that I have never felt so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a very exciting one. Soulmia and I have collaborated together to show you guys some of my favorite pieces from their brand. You can use code 18Jessica to get 18% off on all your purchases. So without further ado, let's get started. Actually, before I get started, the shipping took about 2 weeks, which is not too bad. And they had really good customer service, so I was able to track their items, which is really nice, because a lot of the times clothing stores don't provide tracking number. I had many cases where I lost a lot of packages, but this time it was so smooth and it was all great. Alright, so back into what I got. As you guys can tell, I chose a lot of pieces, so I don't even know which one to start. Let's just grab a random one. Okay, this one. This is the first item I got. This is a cowboy boots. Oh my god, this is so cute. I am so obsessed with cowboy boots because it's such a trend right now, and wow. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is this like a threading detail, stitching detail I guess. And yeah, I sized up for this, but I'll try it on and show you guys how I styled it. I absolutely love the quality. It's very thick and very leathery smell, and the heels are very comfortable height, and I just love it. Next thing I forgot that I got another pair of shoes, which I'm so excited for. I got these sandals, and you just wear them and tie them around your ankle like so, and wow. The only downside of these is that there are some glues right here, but if you're stepping on it, obviously you won't see them. So yeah, I sized up for these as well. The next item I got is a beautiful white dress, and it's very like colonial style, very princessy vibes. So it's really hard to show you guys on the camera, but you basically tie this around your neck, and you have this puffy sleeve that just goes like so, and it's a midi slash maxi dress depending on your height. I want to say that this already looks really big on me, so if you can size down, I would size down. And the quality is not bad. It's not see-through, which is very important. I can't wait to try this. Let's see what I got next. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this one is a two-piece set. It is a brown slash beige set with shorts, and it does not have pockets, but that's not a problem. Then I got a matching blazer. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. The top also doesn't have a pocket, which is not a problem at all, but if it did have that, that would be a bonus. The quality is really good. Obviously this is wrinkled, so I have to straighten it out. It's a very good transitional pieces for fall. I feel like you can wear this and maybe boots with it. This is so cute. What do we have next? Ooh, the next piece, oh my gosh, this is so dreamy. So this is also like a colonial style top, and it is a pheasant top, I should say. The sleeves are very puffy, and especially the shoulder area. I love pieces that have very big bulgy like shoulder pads or whatever you call it, because I think it looks really flattering on. Oh my gosh, wow. The front of it has a little bow tie right here and a little cutout. I'll do a try on, and it is perfectly cropped. It also has a zipper on the back, so it's easier for you to slip it on. This is so cute. Next up, I got something brown again, because brown is like my favorite color. So I got this blazer top, and it's cropped. It has a shoulder pad, which is really nice. There is a button right here. It also came with this little tie here, and I'm assuming that there is a hole to slip it through. Oh, right here. There is this little thing here that you would slip the strap around. So, yay! I am so sad that I'm already onto my last piece, but it is green and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is like Free People inspired type of dress. On the camera I feel like it comes off as blue, but it's more like green. Wow, the length is perfect. It also has some layering on the bottom, so I believe that the front is a little bit shorter than the back. And I love how the straps are adjustable right here, and there is a zipper on the back. this would be perfect thing to wear with my cowboy boots. Now I'm going to show you guys how I style these pieces, and here we go. Sorry if I'm a mess in your room right now, but uneven, short, mini, and these cowboy boots are everything. These, oh my god, I'm obsessed. I feel so powerful. When I tell you that I have never felt so good. Here's the dress. So I don't have like a big chest, so it's a little bit like iffy here, but I tightened it so that this is more like an off shoulder here. And yeah, the overall dress is really cute. The one thing I guess I'm a little iffy on is that I realized this is more like a chiffon material. But other than that, like I think it's a really good quality. It's not even sheer, so yeah. Alright guys, that was it for my video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you Soulmia for these pieces. Don't forget to use code 18Jessica right here. And I'll also have a link below so you guys can go shop and get 18% off on your purchases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!